welcome back to my channel. It's Therese here, and for today's video I have the Half Magic Glitter Puck, and this is in shade, what shade is this one? This is in shade Glimmer Pop. Now this is their newest shade that's come out to Mecca. It does retail for 58 New Zealand dollars or $29.50 US dollars. Now I do actually have, I've dropped it and I love it so much, but I have this glitter puck. This one is the dopamine one, and it is pink, and I have dropped it, shattered it, and it just remolds back together. Like, I really, really love this product, but it's a bit pinky. In saying that though, I do wear it all the time and it is my go-to, but this one is a gold-based one, and you guys know I'm a gold girly, so I am ready to try this one. So let's freaking open it. I want to use it as a highlighter as well. I want it all over my face. And I don't, oh, sorry, before I break the packaging, this packaging, just basic because it is designed to be in retail stores as well. This is it. This is it. Oh, look at it. Look at it sparkling through. And this stuff is, like, I've had this one, I think, for like 6 months. And obviously I have dropped it, but there's so much product in there. Like, I've barely made a dent, like, and I use it every day because I really do like it. So this is the Glimmer Pop one. I'm really excited to try this and see what it's like. So let's open up the packaging. Beautiful. You can tell what it is. You can see the product. Amazing. That's how clean the sponges are beforehand. And I think it's just to hold it down. I don't want to like waste any of it. I don't want to drop it, but look how stunning that is as a pressed powder. I'm obsessed, screaming, crying, vomiting, all of those things. Now I'm gonna just wipe, you can see just a little bit. Okay. Oh my God, look at that. The shine, I'm so using that as a highlighter right now. Okay, let's put that on. And what I love about these as well is when you do put them on, they do have a wet texture. So it does kind of feel a little bit wet. I don't know how they managed to get that, but it is like a wet texture. So if you get the textural ick, just be warned, this does have a wet texture. Oh my gosh, let's put a little bit on my nose. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Look at how it shimmers and shines. So literally, you can see the residue is still on there. I literally have just wiped it, still all over my finger. And you just need the smallest amount to actually do anything, which is insane to me. Let's put it on the eyes because I really want to put it on my eyeshadow. Now, with this as well, what was I going to say? Yes, so with this, if you have different bases, the color actually can reflect differently, if that makes sense. Let me do some dark eyeshadows on my hand and I can show you what I mean. So as you can see, 2 different shades. I'm literally just gonna wipe my finger. And if we just put a bit on here, bloop, and a bit on here. Like that. So you can see how it makes each color pop. And it doesn't necessarily have that kind of, like, what do you call it? Like, you wouldn't necessarily realize it's the same color. And this one I've piled more onto the pink. That's why there's more, you can see there, like that. So when I pop it on my eyes, we're gonna see how it looks like with brown, because it is like that golden base, which I'm so excited about. Like, look at as a highlighter, like I am obsessed, Okay, literally, fingers a bit, well, I have residue, but one press. This is gonna last you forever, honestly. Okay, I need a mirror. I need a mirror to be able to see what I'm doing, but I'm gonna put it on my eye. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Look how shimmery and beautiful that is. Like, you can see I just have a very basic eye look, like very light on the inside. Again, just another press. Another press. I just want to like put more on. Because you can layer this up. Because you'll see now when I put a different layer on, she's super, super shiny. So it's definitely not as golden as I thought it was. Like, it does have that silverness in there, but it does have that brownie tinge. Okay. See? Clean finger. press, literal press. Look how much. And this covers the whole eye, but obviously we want to have a few layers of this. But you could just put it on anything. It's such a pretty thing. Like, look at that. Look at that. Like, this has 2 coats. Well, not coats, but 2 applications. Obviously, anything you do when you do more layers is going to look more intense. Oh my god, this is stunning. I love it. It can just glam any look up. Like, you don't even have to be good at eyeshadow to be able to apply something like this. And that's what I really like about it as well, because something that's easy to use for people that, you know, might not know how to use it very well, or are just starting with makeup, or just need a quick eyeshadow look. Like, literally that took like 2 seconds to apply, 1 dip and 1 wipe, and it was just the fact that I wanted multiple layers that's why we have a few. So I'm just going to put on some mascara and we'll be right back. Boom, mascara. As you can see, I have used like nothing. You cannot tell where I have pressed, what I have touched, what I have done. You cannot tell. And look how much is on my eyes and on my cheeks. Like, I'm obsessed. I love this. I love this. So if you guys want to get your hands on the Half Magic Glitter Pucks, there is this shade and there is the other shade. Obviously, my pink shade is a bit janky, but if you guys want me to do like a demonstration and a review of that, then let me know. But I tell you 10 out of 10, it is amazing and you will love it. This is really nice, and I love the champagne color, and it's really pretty, and I don't know, it just feels really whimsical and cute. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!